This example, we're going over company data management, where we have what we're doing over here, Genius Meetings, and we have everything else including general data, the address, the general info, and among other things like contacts. So first we'll go over general data and make the proper edit to where you can see the entity name, can put in the trade name if you'd like, the turnover, the number of stat, and you can make a comment if you'd like, and you would validate that. And for the address, you can make the proper changes by including the address, the city you live in, and the postal code. And you can find this using a certain link. And for the general information, you can put in your phone, your fax, your email, and your website, and everything should be good with that.
We will then head over to contacts where we could add a contact and we can make some proper adjustments to some existing contacts. As it loads to this page, we can see the contact details, the role within the entity and the site. And if you'd like, you can make some changes to the details. Everything should be good after that. And you can add an institution if you'd like, where you can just choose any one you'd like, including executive management. And for the site, you can add a site and you can validate that. And all of that should be good in this section. And we go back and we're back to the contact page, and everything in this area is good. We will be heading over to accounting data, where it's over here, and we have the option of viewing it or modifying it, and we will make the modifications. And the registration number is very important to have in this section, and the billing address, the city, the email, terms and conditions, and all of this is important to know before doing this. After that, we'll head over to the reference documents, and we will add a document to where we can make some proper changes by selecting what you'd like. It is most likely different for everyone else. And then you would choose the file alongside the expiration date, and can enter a notification if you'd like to receive them. And after doing that, just click send. And that's it for this part. And this concludes the company data management segment.